Welcome back to my gaming channel. Today we're going to be playing more Writing in Monsters, and I'm good. Let's see this then. I don't play at this streak. Anyway, stop. I don't care about this. I gotta go over here.